Your Ninja Foodi Compact is equipped with 6 cooking functions for endless mealtime possibilities. The pressure, steam, and slow cook functions are used with the pressure lid. Use sear, sauté without the lid for browning and flipping ingredients just like on your stovetop. The air crisp and bake roast functions are used with the crisping lid. To adjust the temperature or pressure level, press the up or down temperature buttons to select your desired temperature. To adjust the cooking time, press the up or down time buttons to select your cooking time. Press the Start/Stop button to begin or end your cooking cycle. Use the pressure function to quickly tenderize and infuse moisture into your foods with pressurized steam. After pressure cooking your food, use the air crisp function to tender crisp it to perfection. The steam function to cook foods you typically steam in a pot on your stovetop. Steam infuses moisture, seals in flavor, and maintains the texture of your foods. Use the slow cook function for low and slow cooking for chili, stews, and pulled pork. The air crisp function delivers a crispy, golden texture using little to no oil. The bake roast function allows you to cook meals just how you would in your oven. Visit ninjakitchen.com for exciting recipe ideas to get you started. For more information, visit ninjakitchen.com.